The Dodge Charger Daytona is going to redefine American muscle. Right now, things are pretty good in the muscle car space and Dodge is doing well, but the industry is changing and it is changing fast. The industry has invested $500 billion to transition to electrification, and you know what? Dodge didn't want to follow. Dodge did not want to follow what everyone is doing in electrification, so we literally had to make our own invention, make our own way, and start from scratch. We needed a car that looked like a Dodge, drove like a Dodge, and sounded like a Dodge at the same time as being electric. So we're coming with an all-new design. It is going to be the slipperiest car that still looks like a muscle car. We incorporated the designs from the original Charger Daytona aero treatments on the front end, but still looks like a proper muscle car. We added sound back into the car with the patented Fretsonic chambered exhaust system, and we're going to make it drive like a proper Dodge with an electromechanical shifting system known as the Erupt system. This car will literally change the way people look at electrification in the muscle car space.